All right. Master shots. We're shooting 10. It's in 10. Master shot on Ukan and Ayuku. We're taking take 1 in 3, 2, 1, 0 and action.
Good morning, guys. I'm going on the movie set of what the title? What's the title? Ignition.
The donation.
Okay, the donation. So we are shooting the movie title, The Donation. The donation. Here is my able director, Madam Director Maxwell. Maxwell,
Maxwell.
what about this? This is Director Maxwell on the car. He's a good director. Try him or what's your Facebook account?
Maxwell Tifa.
Maxwell
Tifa. Tayfa.
Okay.
Maxwell Tifa.
So please check him.
Yeah.
So he's a good director. This is our senior actor, the legendary Ayoko man. You know, in those days when we started film stuff, he was my boss. So funny enough, he's still my boss.
Yeah.
So anytime you call him, he always answers. And he's a good actor. Thank you so much, sir, for showing us the way.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
To all fans of Shima Very. One of the best online TV.
Thank you, sir.
Let's try and shoot and
To my
brother.
one and only brother, aka Olanekwa, aka Yama. So he's my DOP. He's the one that film my videos, edits my video. He's a good guy.
Manager of Shima Very TV on Facebook.
How can they get you?
You can meet me on Facebook on Akase Fati at his speech. Still meet me on Fati TV on YouTube.
All right.
Still on Saka TV on Facebook.
So guys, check him out. He's good. He's damn good, man. So good DOP. So I'll be keeping you update. What is your name?
Winifred.
Winifred. Is this your first time on set?
Yes.
Oh. So how do you feel?
You need
Fine.
Where's your phone? You need your phone in this.
Is there?
Okay.
I'm excited.
You're
I'm
excited.
grateful.
Oh, you're grateful. All right. How's the experience?
And the experience is a nice one. A one that I want to try again. And it's memorable in a very good way.
All right.
And it's so good acting with you guys on set.
Thank you. I wish you all the best. So let me sit and watch how they do this thing. Keep it up, guys.
And go on.
Now with 200,000. She might go now with 300,000. But I'm going to you in the quarter. So, you're not seeing anything, and that's why we're ending that movie. I know. So, you will not speak. We'll see those tears roll down. And will zoom in on your face, and that's the end. Landlord is there, and that action is just on you. You understand that? So, please, if you don't know,
What's the line about?
Death is such a wicked thing. Denen, your brother was quite a humble and intelligent young man.
Thank you. Yeah, we're sitting here. Can love singer. This is love scene. Yeah, girlfriend when no get sense.
She got that even in the green remove money.
stingy sugar.
So you want me to carry my family money and give you? Wake your water.
Stingy sugar daddy.
Wake your water. So you can turn it here.
Okay.
You can see behind the VM.
All right, let's shoot.
Okay, let's see.
I never see a Piaga portrait.
Don't
Abi? Okay, all right.
Yes. He use record behind the factory.
All right, sure.
So record behind the
So,
Yes.
Mega, don't be looking into this phone, make it be like say they read there. You are just saying all those things and asking for money and doing all those mumu things. You understand?
All right.
Like,
Father, we will give us to get you.
Make sure you
Better. That's it.
We are acting. This is acting, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Udukwane. Correct. Better. Who will him assistant negative? All right now, Fatih, you're good, but
Doti, please don't start. No, this is resumption time. And my children need school fees. And my wife needs some money for shopping.
sugar daddy, lamane kyoro. You know this is
Okay.
Dote. No, please don't start.
Doti.
Waga.
Doti.
No, don't fake the voice. This is.
No, I'm trying to get my thick voice.
All right. Wait first. Now, me get the thing now. Dote. Wait. Please. Don't start.
Meanwhile, you will be romance like listen.
So.
No, that hasn't.
Please don't stop. Don't stop.
Are they stopping a minute? Don't stop. Take it. Don't stop. Take it. Don't stop. Sugar daddy don't dey confused.
This is hot.
Sugar daddy don't dey confused. Who can do it? Who can be? God, okay. Oh. God, when? Wait first. There's do a line.
Doti. Okay, let's shoot.
Dote, please, don't start. Gwaga, please. Listen,
I'm so proud.
this is resumption month. But he has be hidden K, and you know, cause one by already promised.
You don't pay for shopping.
Please.
You can.
By next month, then I will
Just be all
see how I
right.
can
Once they say action,
put you in my next month's budget. So budget next month I will work. Just
Don't.
watch, man.
You are. Listen. Can we listen, madam? Once no quality lumune nago like lumun yes the lumunga you can away gire. But I need the money. My brother needs it. So who are you lama gire for question? So over all now we hope gadi lumunga. Even if alumunu now gapa you don't even accept. Don't succumb to it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. But we are good. We are good now. Yeah. Huh? Okay. Okay, now let's shoot now. We're shooting. Do you need that phone? Emsima?
I need to have my phone now.
And you can have your phone, but are you okay with the lines? Can I pick my phone? Gloria, what's my phone?
Brian, bring that. I'm taking one shot.
Give me my phone. Give me that phone.
I think the one got my little phones now.
Sure, he's supposed to.
I should give you my own. It's power bank.
Use that phone now. Use that one. All right. Let's shoot now. All right. We're shooting this scene. That's scene 6. Master shots on Gire, and they shoot the girlfriend in the hotel room. This is take 1. We're shooting in 3, 2, 1, 0, and action.
How about the money I asked you?
Dirty. Please don't start. The school just resumed and I will have to pay my children's school fees. My wife, she needs money for shopping. So I think you just need to wait. Next month, I'll be able to just put in the budget next month. But this month, I've exhausted everything.
Gary, please. I asked you of this
Hey, this is flash.
The thing is interrupting the shot too.
Don't use flash.
Please, let's pick up from the top.
Put on one day is okay. Thank you.
From the top. Action.
Gary.
Pick up. It's not Gire. Action.
Gire.
Gire.
And your hands should be soft in the sand.
Trust you.
Action.
Gary. How about the money I asked you of?
Dirty. Please don't start. You know, this is resumption time. And I need to pay my children's school fees. And my wife took 16 money for shopping. So, this month budget, I don't. Maybe by next month, then I will put in the budget of next month. But for now, I've exhausted everything. So, can you just be patient?
I asked you of this money since first week.
Just wash it up, wash it up. Okay.
What for to wash man? My
Cut.
brother needs this.
Cut.
Look at food. You know 128 gig gaga.
Hey,
Eh?
hey.
Another one will go. Let me give you Baba Sergio.
Iko pitomne.
Can't remember what I did. What are you?
Run back here. You saw Musanka, I don't know. We'll buy it. I want to change card.
And you use it.
Non Portugal.
Yeah, to trap around with Zao, you would know. I will find you guys. So,
Then cut that thing. You move by leg. Say something.
don't worry, we'll beat some of the more for me. Don't worry.
The first thing is this type of one. Mufaga. You have to tell them to when you're operating.
So we're shooting this film.
The donation.
Coordination.
The donation.
We're shooting the donation. The donation.
Get donate nyali now.
Okay, this is the donation. So if you're not watching this film, you're not watching any
This
film.
in 10.
This is in 10 from
Yoko,
donation.
Chairman, and one who can special.
What's my name?
Wow. We either say yourself,
Who cut the whole hand?